All right, so now we are almost in the end, and now let's quickly work on the help page as well. So we'll quickly go to our components pages, and we have help page, and this page is going to be kind of static only. We don't need any dynamic thing here, and here we can just have a div class container. Inside this we'll have div class row. Then we are going to have a div class called 12 and p3. On this row, let's have bg white. Okay, background white. Then in here, we can simply have one heading. Let's say h4. We'll say some FAQs. We can have class text center, text hyphen center, and text app primary. After that, we can have simply one question and then some answer, something like that, normal. So let's have a label with class. We'll say text app primary. Let's say how to order. Some simple question. You can add your own FAQ items here. Here we are going to have simple p tag to answer this. Simply you can order fruits and vegetables from the home tab, from the home page. Yeah, that's all. Add. Okay. Tap on the add to cart button. Then go to the cart tab. Go to the cart tab to place the order. Very informative thing. Here we'll say class text secondary. Okay. Then we can simply have some maybe HR. And then let's maybe copy this label and P. Next question could be anything. Where can I see my order history? Something like this. You can see your order history by tapping the orders tab in the bottom tab bar, something like this. Okay, cool. So this is one section. After that, we can have one more row, and on the second row or this first row, we will simply have MB3 margin bottom 3. Then we are going to have this row here. Let's say contact information. So we'll say contact us, something like this. Here we will say, let's say email ID. Here we can provide our email ID. So we'll say simple, whatever it is, you can get it from API or you can have it hard coded, anything. My email at gmail.com, something like this. Then the second, we can maybe have contact number, phone number. Okay, so plus 91 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, whatever it is. Cool. Now let's make a copy of this again. Here in the second one as well, we'll say MB3 margin bottom 3, and for the last one, we can simply have a simple text. Let's say designed and developed by. Here I'm going to have my name, and instead of P, let's have this as nav link maybe with, or just anchor tag a href, these are same. A href equals, here we'll say https youtube.com slash at the rate Abhay Prince. I have added double at the rate because at the rate we are on Razor page. At the rate has a meaning. And here we can simply say Abhay Prince, my name. Now on both of these, text center we can add text center. And on this name as well, we can simply say text secondary, text center. We can say FW bold and maybe H5. Save it. Now we should be good. This is just static page. It's something wrong. Hmm. Class and all right. Let's quickly run it. We'll see, this is static page, so we just see the if design looks fine. You can design it the way you want it to design. It's up to you. Okay, app is here. Let's go to help page and we can see this help screen. All right. Let's move this to the next line. And if we click on this name, it is going to open up the YouTube, normal YouTube. Let's move it to the next line. So here we have multiple options. Let's not have text secondary here. Let's remove it, text secondary. And then to move it, we can simply say D block, just for display block. And with this, we are done. We just need to, yeah, for this screen, the help screen is also done. So we are almost done now. Now we can just have a login option on the home page. Right now we don't have anywhere that login screen, we don't have it. So here we can simply use our section content with section name, that is our toolbar items, right? Toolbar items. Let's quickly check what it is in layout, main layout, not main layout. In navbar we have this toolbar item section name, right? Toolbar items. Here we can simply have a nav link with href slash login. We can have some class if we want to, and we can simply say login. Let's see how it looks. Restart. And we are here. We can see this, which is not looking that good. Let's add a couple of classes. We can simply have our btn app actually. Simple. After this, this should be here only if user is not logged in, right? So we can simply have this in a check. We'll say, are we injecting auth state? No. So let's inject our auth state. Inject auth state, auth state. And here we will simply check if auth state dot is logged in. If this is false, that means user is not logged in. Then only we are going to have this section content with this login button, right? Save it. Let's quickly check help if that got fixed. Yeah, this is fine. Designed and developed by, this should also be in center line, which is not right now. Let's quickly fix this as well. We have this label, which is right now, the label by default does not take the entire width. That's why it is like this. We can have here w100 if you want to. Save it. Let's restart. So on home page, we can't see that login because we are already logged in. Let's go to profile, log out. Yes. Now we are on home page and we can see this login button here. We tap on it. We are on login page. If we log in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, login. We are again on home page and now we can't see that login here, right? All right. If I guess we are good. Now next thing what we'll work, let's see. I have added these two items. I'll go to cart. I can see this one and one quantity. Now if I go back to home page, now that count is not here. That count is here on the my cart page, but that is not here. So we'll fix this. And then right now we have two items in the cart. Let me restart the app. We are not going to have those items now because we are not persisting those items. So we need to have local database. So to store the cart items, I'm going to add the local database, SQLite database. Okay, so that we are going to do next.